Andy Banachowski is the all-time winningest coach in women's volleyball history and ranks second only to UCLA's men's volleyball coach, Hall of Famer Al Skates, on the all-time win list. Banachowski's ties to the University of California at Los Angeles run deep, as he bleeds Bruin blue. A 1968 UCLA graduate, Banachowski was a four-year player and two-time All-American setter for Skates' squads, and served as the men's assistant to Skates for 6 years, 4 of which ended with national titles. After 30 seasons as the UCLA head women's volleyball coach, Banachowski and his Bruins have posted an 812 and 175 record. During his reign, UCLA has placed in the top 4 nationally 21 times, compiling a postseason record of 119 and 22. He has won 6 national championships as a coach. His success is unmatched, especially in recent history, when his Bruins teams have compiled 30 victories in 7 of the last 9 seasons. Under Banachowski, UCLA claimed 3 national titles in the 1970s, winning the DGWS title in 1971 and the AIAW title in 1974 and 1975. In the 1980s, the Bruins captured an NCAA title in 1984 and appeared in 7 Final Fours, with 2 second-place finishes. In the 1990s, the Bruins won back-to-back NCAA titles in 1990 and 1991, finished second in 1992 after an undefeated regular season, and posted a 30-2 record in 1993. Andy's UCLA rosters read like a who's who in volleyball, as he has coached 6 Olympians and 15 U.S. national team members, 21 players who earned Volleyball Monthly Magazine All-America honors, 16 AVCA All-Americans, and 12 individuals selected to the NCAA All-Tournament team, as well as 22 professional beach volleyball players. Recognition of his accomplishments has not gone unnoticed, as Banachowski was named the Pac-10 Coach of the Year in 1988, 89, 1993, and 94, as well as AVCA Coach of the Year nationally in 1989, and regionally in 1989, 1992, and 1993. He was also named Coach of the Year by Volleyball Monthly Magazine 4 times. Outside of UCLA, Banachowski served as an advisor to the U.S. national team and was the head coach of the U.S. team that won the silver medal at the 1993 World University Games in Buffalo, New York, the highest ever finish by a U.S. team. The author of the book Power Volleyball and the instructional video Play Volleyball, Banachowski was a founder of the American Volleyball Coaches Association and was honored by the Volleyball Festival with its Distinguished Service to USA Volleyball Award. Andy Banachowski, 1997 inductee to the Volleyball Hall of Fame.